Hi guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Today I would like to talk to you about this item. This is a CAM. It stands for Conditional Access Module. Our code is the CAM02. Please note that this is meant for use in a professional head-end. It is not meant to be used in domestic applications. MultiChoice will not activate this CAM for domestic uses. It's only for commercial use. Inside of the CAM there is a smart card. There's the smart card number, and the serial number for the CAM is located at the back. Very important, please make sure that the smart card is inserted with the chip facing the sticker, the front of the CAM, just like so. If you guys have any questions or comments, or you need some help, please feel free to get in touch with one of our branches. We'll do our best to assist you. Have a lovely day.